raining, it's pouring, no man, it's snoring. He fell and bumped his head. Couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining on and off. How exciting life is, huh? I'm waiting for a big, loud crash. But I doubt it if it's going to happen. Because those clouds is not that dark. Yeah, I hope it stops raining before I have to walk to work. I'm watching the Duggars. See, the Duggars. I'm bootlegging it. I better not do that. I'm going to get in trouble. Crash. Wow. That's if it rained for a month, we'll be underwater. Look at that. Hey, well, I'm on the second floor. Ooh, rain, 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 rain. Ooh, you hear the thunder? Come on, let it, lightning. Right. Bye, YouTube.